Sir Ate Gina. Yan, magandang gabi. Syempre. Happy birthday. Sana lagi ka pong happy, and to your family po and to yourself, syempre. Stay strong, stay healthy, syempre. Stay pretty, syempre. Ayan, at mahal na mahal ka namin ng SCQ fam. Yan, lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kami parati sa iyong tabi at sa lahat ng kasuluk-sulukan. Happy birthday!
Ate Gina, happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka. Oh, happy birthday Ate Gina. More birthdays to come. And syempre kailangan laging masaya at ang kalusugan. Ingatan. And lagi kang mag-iingat dyan Ate Gina. Muli, happy birthday sa'yo. And lagi lang sanang masaya. Love Ate Gina.
Hi Ate Gina, happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Good health and God bless. Yan, sa tagal na natin nagsama sa Star Maker. Yan, tigulang na tayo ate. Ingat kayo dyan palagi and love you both ni Magic Mom. Ingat kayo pa dyan ate. Happy birthday again.
Hello ate ko, happy birthday. I hope God always bless you because you deserve it. Stay healthy, stay happy. And enjoy your day. Enjoy mo lang yung araw mo. Sana maligaya ka today. I love you. I hope magkita na rin tayo. Makauwi ka na rin ng Pinas para makita-kita na tayo. Basta happy birthday.
Ayan, Ate Gina, that happy birthday sa iyo, Ate Gina. Sana gabayan ka lagi ni Lord. More birthdays to come, more candles to glow sa iyo. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw-araw at gabayan ka ni Lord sa lahat ng lakad mo sa araw-araw. At thank you Ate Gina sa pagsuporta sa amin lagi, lalo na sa mga broadcasters ng SCQ. Ikaw yung laging andyan para sa kapwa naman broadcaster. We love you, Ate Gennadette. Again, happy birthday.
And happy birthday, Ate Gina, and thank you for everything. And mahal na mahal ka namin. Pangalagaan mo yung health mo. And syempre, alagaan mo rin yung baby boy ko na si IG kasi magiging mother-in-law pa kita. Tsaka! Ayan, basta yun, good health. Tsaka, wag mo pa
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my darling Sissy. And many more. Another year has passed. I miss you even more. Hello, Sissy. Wish ko lang lahat ng wish mo. Sana magkatotoo. Magkaroon ka ng masayang buhay, laging enjoy mo lang, at magandang pangangatawan, malusog. Love you. Miss you.
Ate, happy birthday! Hindi ko alam kung ilang birthday mo na to at ilang birthday ko na rin ang dumaan na nandito tayo sa Star Maker, but I would like to thank you so much with all our hearts and appreciation for always being there for us. May you have more blessing, more happiness, more joy, at sana manalo ka na rin doon sa loto. Thank you so much, ate. Sana makauwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Pati ko po ang aming pinakamagandang ate sa loob ng SCQ Farm. Walang iba kundi si Ate Gina. And Ate Gina, sana ay bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings at malusog na pangangatawan. Once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Thank you.